I'm a zombie, that's what I do best, eating brains. Baby born without a head again, eating brains. Sponsor mash, but everybody dies, eating brains. Shut your mouth and silence all the lambs, eating brains. I'll eat your brains out with a rack of clams, eating brains. Jeffrey Dahmer has nothing on me, eating brains. Went to jail cause he got caught again, eating brains. Woody Harrelson likes to smoke the weed, eating brains. He bashes in a head in zombie land, eating brains. Tonight's the night of grateful living dead, eating brains. Cherry Garcia is real good, I scream, eating brains. From dusk till dawn we'll be up eating brains, eating brains. Resident Evil is a decent game, eating brains. Desert Rats are avid zombie fans, eating brains. Don't feel guilty, we all masticate, eating brains. When you start to chew your food, you know, eating brains. The average brain weighs about 3 pounds, eating brains. Lighting up so we can get down, eating brains. That's when synapses start to fire off, eating brains. Eating brains can be like therapy, eating brains. Freud invented psychotherapy, eating brains. B.F. Skinner liked to trick the mice, eating brains. Pavlov's dogs get fed when there's a bell, eating brains. People say that I should go to hell, eating brains. Brains.